Today, I'll walk you through how to build a weekly to-do list in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create an organized weekly planner so you can boost your productivity and stay on top of your tasks. To get started, first, open your Notion page. This is your canvas where all the magic will happen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates frequently, but the core functionality remains the same. Just follow along with me. Next, look for the New button located at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on this will allow you to create a new page. This is similar to opening a new document in a word processor. It's your fresh start. Once you've clicked New, select Page. This step is crucial as it sets up a new workspace for your weekly to-do list. You'll see a blank page appear ready for your customization. Now let's move on to templates. Click on Templates to explore the options available. Templates in Notion are like pre-designed blueprints. They save you time and help you get started quickly. After that, navigate to the Notion Marketplace and click on Templates again. This will give you access to a variety of templates that can enhance your productivity. In the search bar, type Weekly To-Do List. This is where you can find specific templates tailored for your needs. Think of it as searching for a recipe online. You want to find the one that suits your taste. Once you see the list of templates, click on the one that catches your eye. This is your chance to choose a design that resonates with your style and workflow. After selecting your desired template, click the plus Add button. This will add the template to your left pane, making it easily accessible for future use. Finally, open the template and modify or edit it based on your preferences. This is where you can personalize it to fit your unique tasks and schedule. Feel free to adjust colors, add tasks, or even change the layout. It's all about making it work for you. And there you have it. You've successfully built a weekly to-do list in Notion. Remember, this tool is designed to help you stay organized and focused, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and features. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.